Following good news over the weekend, Healthcare Committee Chair Senator Dennis Rodriguez Jr. can withdraw Bill 164, an act he introduced last week with Senator Aline Yamashita to authorize the governor of Guam, through executive order, to waive tuberculosis testing requirements for up to 90 days in response to a national shortage of TB skin testing solutions.
Over the weekend, we got word that GSA was able to locate a supplier that could give us the needed TB testing kits, despite the shortage. And so even when we introduced this legislation about a week ago, we said that we need to look at every other option to explore, and one of it was, of course, trying to get more kits in. And so that's what we did. And so students now will still be required to take those TB screenings, at least for the new ones coming in.
General Services Agency Chief Procurement Officer Claudia Kfaji says a local vendor was successful with identifying a supplier of 1,300 doses of skin testing solutions, with a delivery made today and an additional 600 doses to be finalized by the end of this week. That's a total of 1,900 doses, what Department of Public Health Director James Gillen says fulfills the estimated count of students who would need the clearance to enter school come the start of classes August 19th.
The law is that every student must have a TB screening, and so and the law is for the new students coming in. That's kinder, the Head Start, and then board policy has more stringent, is that 6th graders and I believe 9th graders must also be required to take another TB screening.
Despite the good news, both Gillen and Rodriguez agree this is only the start of the conversation, as it's debated whether or not mass screenings are effective at preventing TB outbreaks. Gillen states research shows mass screenings don't work. Last school year alone, despite compliance with the TB requirement, 3 active TB cases were reported at Guam schools, 2 at Simon Sanchez High and another at John F. Kennedy. Gillen adds the mandate is also too costly at $111 to $190 per 50-dose vial. For students still in need of a skin testing clearance, an outreach is set for Wednesday and Thursday at the Micronesia Mall from 10 a.m. to 12 noon, or while supplies last. Gillen notes this outreach is exclusive to those with MIP, Medicare, or no insurance, and for new students entering a Guam school as well as kindergarten students. Students must be accompanied by a parent or guardian with a photo ID, as well as have the child's shot record. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Crystal Paco.